Hi, I'm Sean with Autel. When selecting vehicles for your heavy-duty fleet, you're able to choose the motor, transmission, and other components to best meet your needs. Equally important, once those vehicles are in service, you can go in and change the parameters to best meet your business needs. This can be done quickly and easily with Autel's MS909CV.
There are many reasons to change parameters for some or all of the vehicles in your fleet. Common functions like top speed, max cruise control speed, and idle time often vary by the state or municipality you are operating in. Other functions like DPF fluid introduction can be adjusted after trucks have been serviced and issues have been identified. Additionally, you can reconfigure vehicles by enabling additional creature comforts and features. These may be to meet driver requests, for insurance purposes, or to guide less experienced drivers to safer driving practices. Finally, as commercial vehicles have extended service lives, you can change vehicle functions after modifications like adding a dump bed, liftgate or PTO, a conversion to alternative fuels, or even when a manual transmission has been swapped to an automatic transmission.
Of course, whether you're doing parameter changes or diagnostic work, the Wi-Fi connection on our tablet allows you up to 150-foot range, so you don't have to be in the truck to be working on it. For more information on our full family of products, be sure to visit us at autel.com.